So I tried the fruit punch recipe from Velvety Foodies and it was amazing. Happy New Year, guys! So for this recipe, I used my own choice of fruits. So I added watermelon, then I used apple, then I used my pineapple, then I used cucumber. Now you could use any fruit of your choice. You could go with grapes, you could go with berries, you could add banana, just anything, especially if it's your favorite fruit. Now, after I added in my fruit, I added lemon juice and then I came in with the yogurt and I gave this a quick mix. Then I added ice just to make it cool. However, because I was going to have this fruit punch later in the new year with family, I decided to put it in the fridge a bit just to keep it cool. And we had this after our barbecue, and I must say it was refreshing. You should give this a try. I hope we get to do more food recipes this year, my recipes or those I try from others, and I can't wait to see what the year has in store for us. Thank you all for always watching. Please do not forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.